first formation change in the beautiful shape called Delta. The airspeed is around 400 knots, and the distance or the separation between each aircraft is about 2 to 3 meters only. Next shape we are going to show you, ladies and gentlemen, is called the Eiger. It's a 4,000-meter high mountain of the Jungfrau region located in center Switzerland. This impressive mountain is part of the UNESCO World Heritage. The popular north wall is the triangle-shaped, spectacular north face of the Eiger, high above Grindelwald. You're going to see is called Hosseluft to swing, also known as Swiss wrestling, and natively a breeches lifting is a style of folk wrestling native to Switzerland, more specialty the pre-alpine parts of German-speaking Switzerland. Wrestlers wear wrestling breeches with belts that are used for taking holds. Throw and tips are common because the first competitor to pin his or her opponent shoulder to the ground wins the game. Is returning back to the stage, parading in a pattern called Swan. Swans are the largest extant members of the waterfowl family and are among the largest flying birds. The aircraft of the Patrouille Suisse in a few seconds. The two solo will leave the team and open their solo part of our program. Solo pair, lead solo of the Patrouille Suisse, Captain Kyle Lascha and his colleague, Captain Michael Tuff.